two, three.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be explaining the dance step by step and with the counts. And don't worry because this tutorial is mirrored, so feel free to follow me. If I'm speaking too fast or too slow, you can adjust the speed of the video in the YouTube settings. If you want to practice with the music, check the link in the description. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. And if you're ready, let's get started. So in this tutorial, I will be only teaching the dance break of Pinky Up. And the first 8 counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're going to start by slightly bending your knees like this. Take your left pinky here to your chest, and with your right fist, you're going to make circles around your pinky. Okay? Doesn't matter how many times, just turn, 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 turn. This is for 1, 2, 3, 4. And you see how I'm slightly going up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then on 5, 6, 7, 8, you're gonna go 1, 2, 3. When you do 1, take your hip to the right side, 2 to the left, 3 to the right. So 1, 2, 3. Then pinky up. On 8, take your 2 pinkies, right and left, up. Stretch your arms all the way up like this, and also lift your right foot up on 8. So 5, 6, 7, 8. From the beginning, from here, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now let's really start with the dance break. After we did 5, 6, 7, 8, the next 8 counts are 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's start with the upper body first with your hands. Take your 2 pinkies up, and on your right side, you're going to kind of make a box. Take your left pinky and face it up, and your right pinky to the left side like this, forming a box. You're going to switch to the other side by taking your right pinky, face it up, and your left pinky face it to the right side. So from here, right, left, right, left. This is 2 times, 2 times. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. So some members just do it directly, like from right to left. But I saw Daniela and Megan, I think, doing like, instead of just going straight to the left side, they cross the right pinky like in front of the left, like going, like the right pinky is moving first and then the left pinky. So instead of going like this, they go like this. It's also okay to do like this or like this. So it is 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. And on end, for end, you're going to lift your face up. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4, end. Now, for our legs, after doing 5, 6, 7, 8, you're going to step with the right, then with the left, then right and left. So, right, left, right, left. Okay? And, okay, for end. After doing end, you're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. Take your left pinky up, and your right hand is going down like this, and step right. And don't just step like this, step big, like take your leg out. That's on 5. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Step with your left foot. So we did and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? After 8, on end, touch your right hip with your right hand. 8 for the next move. So we did 5, 6, 7, 8, end. Let's repeat this part from 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try one more time from here. 1, 2, 3. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and well done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Push your hip back, 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 back 4 times, okay? Back 4 times, okay? Really push back really hard 4 times. While doing so, your left pinky from being here up, your left pinky from being up facing to the front, you're going to face it to yourself like this. And from here, you're going to take it down to your head, then your shoulder, your chest, and leave it here. So you're gonna go 4 times. While you're doing out, out, you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And your right hand from being here, after we did 8 and, you're gonna go up, 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 up. Going down, 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 down. Okay? And also tilt your head to the right. Okay, one more time from 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? After this, jump in. So you're gonna jump, take your 2 pinkies out like this, and then take them in. So from here, out, in, and jump 2 times on 7, 8. And jump really, really high. So let's repeat from 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's repeat one more time from here. Okay, so we're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll, 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 roll. 1, 2, 3. Pinky, tun, 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 up, tun, 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 tun. Pinky up, 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 up. Jump, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and a 2 times. We're gonna go 1 and a 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After we jump, our legs were together. Now on 1, separate them, and from here on 1, your pinkies are facing like outside, okay, to make your box. So face and point out, then go down, okay, so up, down, out, up. So from jumping 2 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, jump 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. And to join like the box together, you're going to just clap, but like don't just clap like this, clap out and make the clap big, okay, like clap and take your hands out, out, stretch your arms until they're down. So up, down, out, up, clap, out. And you see how my knees are going in while I'm clapping, and also take your head up. Okay, let's repeat one more time. So we jump, jump, up, down, out, up, clap. Okay, one more time. Jump, jump, up, down, out, up, clap. Now it counts 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, 3. Then 4. Join your legs together one more time. Hands down on 4. So 3, 4. One more time with counts. After 5, 6, jump, jump. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After 4, on 5, take your legs out and your pinkies out, okay? At the sides like this. And move them like this, okay? Into circles, to the side, to the side. And take your head to the left, to the right. Like this is double, 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 okay? So 4, 5, 6, okay? 5, 6. Then we're gonna go 7, 8. So like this is like walking, but after taking your pinkies out, now take them up, right in front, left at the back, then switch, then switch. This is like this, like with normal speed is really, really fast. Like just kind of walk and your pinkies are still out while you're doing so. So 5, 6, 7, and 8. And your hips are moving right, no, your hips are moving left, right, left. So 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, let's repeat from here, from the box. Okay, so after we did 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 6, 7, and 8. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and okay, and that's the end. So after doing this and this, you're gonna step right, left, right, left, left hand to your hip, and your right pinky is all the way up. And imagine you're saying hi to someone, but with your pinky up. So, hello. Okay, so take it up and move it around. So, this is on 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then on 5, stand straight. 5, then 6. Take your hip to the right side. Your left fist is going to be up. Your right fist is going to face the left fist on 6. So 5, 6. Then first, let's start with the left hand first. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, starting with your pinky. So pinky, okay, until you reach to number 5, to your thumb. This is just like take them out like this, really fast. This is on 7 end. While doing so, you're gonna go like this as we did before at the beginning, but now to your entire hand. Okay, so 6, 7, and 8. Okay, and 8. On end, the last count, you're gonna go end. So touch your hand, and when you touch your hand, you're going to just leave your pinky up. Leave your left pinky up when you touch end. And while doing so on end, this right arm is going to go down. So 7 and 8 end. Okay, and stand. This is the final pose. Stand with your left pinky up, hip to the right, and stand like this. So from 5, 6, 7, and 8 end. Let's repeat from, okay? 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's the end. Let's repeat from 5, 6, 7, jump. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and well done. And if you want to practice with the music, it's on my shorts and also in the link in the description I will leave the practice with music in slow speed, okay, and mirrored. So let's practice with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and a 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and a 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and